All right, this 1971 MGB has been redone, refurbished, and it shows it and drives in the way it drives, the way it looks. We're going to put it up on the lift. We've already done a driving video. We've already shown you the lights work on the car, and we're going to take it inside, put it on the lift, and show you the nice gaps on the car. Really drives very, very, very well. It's a real tight car. Went over the railroad tracks and it wasn't rattling. Engine started right up after sitting in the warehouse for, I don't know, it's been stuffed back in the back for quite some time, and I forgot how nice this car was. The weather's prohibited it from getting it out. But see how straight it is. Look how nice those hood gaps are. Look how straight the body panels are. How nice the grill is. Chrome's not pitted. Wire wheels are in nice shape. Again, we'll take a look at this inside. Outside here, I suppose I should show you this nice interior. That dash, it's not capped and it's not cracked. So they've either replaced it or it's well preserved. Nice wooden steering wheel. Look how crisp and fresh, nice those gauges are. Reads 56,940 miles. I think that's probably accurate. And then I'll do a compression test on the car. They've moved the starter to here. So all you do, matter of fact, I'll start it for you. All you do is turn the key and hit the button and it's lit. It's running. Nice car. Seats are in good condition. Door cards are in nice shape. It comes with a nice boot. Top is like new, if not new. Trunk, I love these. They put struts on each side versus the stay. Nice clean trunk. Same with the engine compartment. We'll show it to you inside. So there you go. A really nice chrome bumper MGB. With a nice look, a nice stance, and a nice drive. Level 1971 MGB Roadster, chrome bumper B Roadster. We can start from the beginning. The front, we can see how clean that grille is without flaw. We can see the chrome is not pitted. See the body panels fit well together. Front valance is not damaged. Good lenses. Tires are like brand new. And we're going to walk down the side and I'll show you how straight these sides are on this car. There you go. Look at the reflection of those Porsches in the paint. Body panels have a nice fit. There's nice gaps here. All four wheels are in great shape. They're not original. They've been replaced. But the wheel well openings are clean. They're not full of Bondo. Body trim is straight. There are imperfections in the paint that I have to point out. You can't see them, but you can feel them. There's small little blisters in this door. I don't think they'll do anything, won't go anywhere, but you can certainly feel it. In full disclosure. There we go. Nice clean wheel well openings. No rust here. Another nice wheel. Rear valance here is in nice shape. Bumpers are in good shape. And another shot down this side of a good straight B. Good gaps in the doors. It's a real pretty color on this car. Mercedes called it Orient Red or Cabernet. I'm not sure. I can't remember what MG called it. I call it pretty. There you go. Here's a nice shot down the side. And again, the wheel. And we'll take it on up and go underneath. This car has had floorboards replaced on it, and I'll show them to you. No rust in those rocker panels or at the bottoms of the fenders. Oh, it looks like she's got a clean new rack. Let me get a good light here for you. All right, yeah, it looks like the rack is new. The front suspension felt real tight. Looks like they've done something here. Fresh bolts. All right, I wanted to show you the floorboards have been replaced and cocked rather heavily. You can see it through here. The original floorboard here. Original battery trays are still there. They haven't rotted. But looks like both front floorboards were replaced. Not very clean actually, but they're sealed. See, they put caulking everywhere. Here's a cut here, but again, real well sealed. Looks like it's got a stainless steel exhaust. So that's really the worst part of this particular car, was the replacement of the floorboards. But boy, it drives so tight. And again, they've been replaced properly, and they're tight and they're sealed up. So there you go, 1971 MGB. All right. Great day in the dead of winter to drive an MGB convertible. My immediate reaction to this car is how tight the suspension is. Synchros, go down to third, good synchro, and then down to second, good synchro, and then down to first.